natto. This is something like that. Almost, but no natto. I was so surprised because I said I couldn't find better.
And I know Filipino milk is good. This is chocolate coconut, and this is mango pineapple, and this is coconut something granola. Where did you get that? Asuko. Okay, right here. At the counter. Okay. Yeah. Have you been there? Meet or you can. Meet or you can. It says. 食べ放題。ほら。Meet or you can. El Gaucho がある。I think I saw the restaurant in Bangkok, El Gaucho. It's like Argentina steakhouse. Super expensive. This is the entrance. I couldn't find the entrance because there's so many grasses here. Just one. Yeah. Sony. Never heard of it.
CTV is the government channel.
Okay, okay. Like NHK.
NHK is this.
It's government TV.
It's roasted aromatic coffee.
Yeah, yeah,
Full
yeah.
bodied coffee.
Strong one.
Strong, yes.
Yeah, it's strong. Looks strong.
And we have here
Fruity one? You have?
fruity.
Yeah.
Yes. We have this one, the buluto.
Yeah.
Buluto is intensity 4. So it's medium or light
Espresso.
roasted with
Mhm.
cereal notes.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Buluto.
Okay.
And we have also it has a intensity 6 with aromatic notes of fruity. Fruity and wine.
Shanghai. Oh, India, Indonesia.
Yes, we have
India.
master origins like Indonesia, India. How about you, sir? How do you like your coffee? Do you like it?
Black only?
Yes.
And it's very easy to use, sir. Just choose the capsule you want, and then that's insert the
Yeah.
capsule here,
Yeah.
and close the lever. So you can see it's blinking, so it's on the
means
preheating
ready.
process.
Mhm.
Yes. Then after that,
Preheating.
yes.
Okay.
When it's steady, yeah, it's ready to use.
Mm-hmm.
Just put the cup here, and then since we put the lungo capsule inside, we use this larger cup
Mm-hmm. Okay.
here. This is for lungo.
Yeah.
And that's it. The process or the brew. Sugar, sir. Do you like sugar?
No, sure. It's fine. Yeah.
That would be good for the combo.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wow. Wow. Must try. Lemon churro.